topic, everyday trending. Put me on people's double XL, but I triple the profit. I came out snapping hoes, thought I was garbage. I'm dropping vid out the vid, now they watching. You can go get it, YouTube, Apple Music. When I said I'm the biggest, I did more than prove it. I'm on the beat, know this shit an exclusive. PPM every week, know we shoot a new movie. Ayy, go get our new movie. When I said I'm the biggest, I did more than prove it. I'm on the beat, know this shit an exclusive. PPM every week, know we shoot a new movie. Ayy, go get our new movie. Give me a plate right now. What's up, y'all? It's your girl 627 Heavy Rapping PPM Pretty Big Legs, and I'm back with a motherfucking cooking video. We gonna make some shit real quick. So, look, I ain't gonna lie, I'm making soul food. I don't know if you can tell by the fro food, but we finna make some soul food. We finna get into it. I'm making some green beans, potatoes, cornbread, and a little blueberry cornbread on the side. With some motherfucking chicken. What I wanna do first is my green beans, because these gotta slow cook. So, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know, ain't nothing like some slow cooked food. Now we finna add air seasoning and candy. You feel me? I'm gonna try to be expeditious. I had to switch the frame. I forgot we were recording sideways, but you wanna add plenty garlic powder and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Garlic good for your heart if you didn't know. So I like to add a good amount. And to get that nice little smoky flavor or something. Did you see that catch? Adobo. You want to add two good turns of it. Honestly, I ain't got no measurements. I'm just eyeballing. Lemon pepper always go good with green beans, no cap. I just feel like it get that little bit of twang in that moment. So this veggie seasoning, I don't know if you can see, but it's damn near gone. It's that good, no cap. So fast forward. We got the kids. We ain't gonna add too much cayenne, but we gonna add a little bit of cayenne for that spice. Okay. Garlic pepper. I love this joint too. No cap. It tastes more of a herb mix, but okay, we got some 6 pepper mix. Like I said, I'm gonna chill with the peppers because these kids talking about it's gonna be spicy, but we got some more garlic pepper, different brand. Tad bit in each corner. You feel me? With that butter. Okay, fast forward. Tony Satcherin's. Now, even if you a basic cook, you should know Tony Satcherin's type shit. Like a little bit of that, especially when you cooking green beans, cause it's like that seasoned flavor. We got a little medley pepper. Okay, y'all. Going as fast as I can. Got that little medley flavor in that joint, and I'm missing some. Where is that? I put a little bit of a little bit of cajun. Oh, there you go. Can't reach that joint. Why? It's like steak marinade or something. I just like this in my green beans. Ooh, I put these on the side and put them on medium. Now for the potatoes, because they need to be boiling before we make the mix. I done already cleaned these bad boys and stuff. With these, I just want them real thin. You know what I'm saying? Because we're going to layer them in the pan. And I want them to go and cook. I don't want them to take forever. Plus, we got to bake them. So we just going to keep them real thin. I ain't going to lie, y'all. I'm fucking with the. Wait, yeah. Okay. I was gonna say, dang, is it soul food if ain't nothing fried? Because y'all be saying soul food. Gotta have fried chicken. I'm baking the chicken today though. I air fry some. When that potato look like that, you just gotta grab it and hope for the best. We finna chop up the rest though. After you chop them potatoes up, rinse them off, clean them again. Get that hot bath ready with some garlic salt in a little bottle. Pour them in that bath. And that's why you don't do one-handed cooking. Let's go and get this cornbread right. They threw away the damn box, so we just going out what we think. Shit, honestly. Did I get a shell in there? Nah. Hold up. I'm gonna add 2 eggs to the joint. Butter on.
Hey, don't put that on your phone.
Be quiet. Put almond milk. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we spraying our pan. Then we're gonna go and load the muffins in. Okay, y'all, when y'all baking anything like cake mix, like, you want to shake it so it looks smooth on top. That way you ain't got them ugly lumps and stuff. Some blueberries to some of them to make blueberry cornbread.
Blueberry cornbread? I don't like blueberry cornbread.
Don't eat it.
You can add 3 on that side.
Alright, so we got some blueberries and the rest. Put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. Let's season this chicken. Start with some adobo. I love some garlic. Always lemon pepper. Six pepper. Garlic pepper. This is a peppery situation. Honey saccharin.
Saccharin?
And we got that chicken season. Slide it over to the rack. Lay it on the rack. I don't like my chicken cooking straight out the pan sometimes. It's all on the rack. We're gonna slide it in the oven. By the way, those cornbreads are done. The green beans are getting a little soak on them. Let's start on the sauce for the potatoes. Girl, come out the camera. Cheese. A little milk. Another half a stick of butter. Bacon. Put it in the blender. Take that over to that sauce. Got those potatoes out. We're gonna line them up in the dish. We're gonna pour in some of that cheese sauce. Spread it out. And layer it like that till you done. Look like that. That alongside the clean dishes. Make our sauce. Get your ass in there. Go. Add some Sunny barbecue. And honey hot. And some honey mustard. By that heat up, we're gonna add some hot sauce. Creamy Louisiana. A little jalapeno juice. Now that the chicken done, add that sauce. Buffalo. Right, let's get into it.
Hey, Auntie.
Okay. Let's go and make the plate.
No.
Little baby plate.
You still.
Alright, y'all, let's give it a try. We're gonna start with the chicken. Barbecue. Plain. Buffalo. Let's try some green beans. Garlic potatoes. Blueberry cornbread. Buzz down. Whole plate, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, no cap.
This is good.
Back.